Welcome. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to switch on or off the tutorials in Battlefield 6. Enjoy watching! So on the top of this main page in Battlefield 6 you should press here on the gear icon and see the accessibility settings, scroll down, and here you have the tutorials tab and 3 available options. You can switch on or off the tutorials in menu. You can turn off or on in-game tutorials, or you can just reset tutorials to the default state like this, and you can leave it on if you want to use these tutorials. That would be all for this video. I hope you like it. Leave a like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye!